What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a little short video for you, show you some of the successes that my man Tony had last week at the track. Full weight, full interior, medium scarlet 1989 Ford Mustang, stock block, On3 turbo setup. Been chasing that 10 for a number of years actually. So this video is for him, show his successes, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get into it. Tony here this week. He fixed a couple issues. He's got his light out. He's ready to make his 90 pass. He deserves his 1090 pass for once. He got his car set up just like I used to do with my black car. Ready to make it happen. All right, so we've been chasing a 10-second pass in old Tony's car. So I gotta go over here and talk to him. My man Mike. Yeah. Yes, sir. You know I gotta get on video. Is that all right?
Yeah, man, that's great.
That's awesome. Congratulations. Let me see it. What's up, Mike?
What's up?
Look at that 60, dude. 153, not terrible. Dude, there's more room in that.
That's what they were just talking about.
Oh, man. What was your mile? Oh, man, that right lane.
Mile an hour, that's what I said.
That right lane, dude, congratulations.
Thank you.
Two-tone. This is not much different than what my black car was several years ago. Crazy good. 1080, 1083, wasn't it? He blew that 10-second. You blew that right out the water.
Yeah. Been searching for it for weeks now.
Yeah.
We just went right by it.
Went right by it.
Went right by it.